Alrighty, let's get vlogging. Happy Thursday, and it's time for a new vlog. Welcome if you are new. Today's episode is going to be talking about, the old school Runescape team. They're actually doing some really good things compared to, I want to say, a different developer team many years ago. Many years ago, very different. I'm talking about the Runescape 2 years, right? 2008, Evolution of Combat, send shivers up some people's spine. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's actually a really good thing, but I'm going to be talking about that a little more in today's video. Welcome if you are new. If you enjoy my videos, smash the like button, all the buttons. If you want to follow me even more, links are down below, all my links, social media. And I uploaded a new video on my main YouTube channel, Nightmare RH, pretty much talking about, interesting topic, came from one of you all during a live stream that I did 2 days ago. Not going to be able to live stream today. Totally forgot that I actually have an appointment in the afternoon. But tomorrow, going to be live streaming, and also Saturday as well, too, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so, let's go ahead and talk about Wyrmscraig, the new Slayer Master OG. So, I myself am in a Maxcape hunting machinery, or whatever you want to call it. I got a lot of goals very much on osrs right now. And, I mean, I've hit the level 90 Runecrafting Club. Gonna probably get to Slayer maybe around October-ish of this year, so the next couple months. I'll be done with Runecrafting, onward to Slayer. Probably get my Maxcape maybe either later this year or early next year, hopefully before March timeframe. But I'm actually overly excited about updates, one, definitely to Slayer. Two, how it's not coming out literally as I'm doing Slayer. Because if it's one thing about, like, games releasing either downloadable content or very much, like, updates, especially if you are on a Slayer grind and something comes out regarding Slayer, there's always some hibbity-jibbity bugs. Always some bugs that can definitely, pretty much happen and stuff, right? I think it was probably, this was 2010. So, any of you that was on RuneScape 2010, you probably remember Dung Bunga Dungeoneering. One of a very controversial 99 back in the day. Also became the first 120 skill as well, too. Because you got to remember that it wasn't just a 99, it was the first 120. That's also why it was very controversial. But it had a tremendous amount of content that was going to be added later down the road. Now, a lot of skills essentially very much do get added content later down the road. But Dungeoneering was setting RuneScape up for very much a follow-on content for future 99s, like in the future. Obviously, Sailing was the first OSRS, like official 99. Obviously, we're still going to be getting new content for Sailing, even probably after close to 1 year of it being out, which, in my opinion, is definitely not bad. Obviously, Slayer has been out for a very long time, and I mean, have we not gotten several different Slayer Masters added on OSRS? Of course we have. So, the thing about it is that there were some issues, but, I mean, it was a hot fix. And the OS management team is just they're very quick, very spot on. When I started playing RuneScape, it was a little different. And I mean, yeah, there are good and bad teams that do revolve around a company. Especially with a company that's been around for how long now? You're talking about almost 3 decades? Yeah, go to any other company in the world. Whether it's a publicly traded company, private company, like companies that are around for decades and let alone generations, they go through different, like, CEOs, like we've had, obviously, with Jagex. They go through different developers. They go through different, pretty much, like, management teams. and people do get fired. There's been bad J mods that have been fired from Jagex. I mean, hey, there's good cookies and there's bad cookies, right? So, I mean, overall, I really feel that the team right now on OSRS is absolutely just kicking ass and taking names left and right. I understand there was a lot of controversy, especially around their decision to raise membership prices. I made several videos talking about that earlier this year. There was also a lot of controversy around 99 sailing, believe it or not. But, I mean, overall, is OSRS very much down a great path? Yeah, I mean, I don't believe it's going down the wrong path here. But, so anyway, some known issues pretty much happened. Status, hot fix, that means, hey, snapping the fingers, we're on it, you know, bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Teleport to the boat is missing for the Maxcape. That's actually pretty funny, and I honestly cannot friggin' wait until I get my Maxcape. There are so many perks to getting a Maxcape, it's not even funny. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be happy for this one. And then there's really just like some other minor like hot fixes as well too. But I mean, ultimately, I'm very excited to very much try this doodad out. And the entire thing about it is that we're getting new locations. We're basically just getting new versions of like everything. And it does in a way feel kind of like RuneScape 2010, like in a way. But at the same time, it's also theoretically not RuneScape 2010 too. It's obviously 2026, about to be 2007. Can you friggin' believe that? Yeah, it's a little crazy, huh? RuneScape 2027, RuneScape 2007, like the actual year 2007. I do remember that. So what else is really happening? So a lot of really good stuff revolving around definitely a new charted island. That's all good. Jagex is very much on like hot fixes. Definitely a lot of other stuff is being added to. I mean, the fact that this game continuously gets new content, such as new locations and also new Slayer Masters, new bosses. It's just really a growing game, and that's also tied into my new video on my main channel, because man, definitely go and check out the video on the main channel for today, especially if you guys have time. I do understand a lot of you all are very busy people, and I do appreciate each and every single one of you that does show up, especially for these videos. But if I had to play one variant of RuneScape for the rest of my life, pretty much God himself pretty much was talking to me, verbally talking to me. It's a very interesting answer of what I gave, and also why. Why I chose that answer is very based on my opinion of playing this game for 21 years. But I mean, it's continuous like updates. Continuously updating the game, continuously adding stuff as well. Any bugs, any glitches to the game, Jagex is very much on it. I mean, they obviously spend a lot of time very much doing a lot of these, like, blogs in a way. Monopoly RuneScape. Probably going to be ordering this, and no, I'm not getting paid to really promote Monopoly RuneScape. Would be cool if I had a coupon code, right? Yeah, that would actually be definitely cool. But anyways, the overall thing that is very big and very real is that there was a point in time where if you go to the main page of RuneScape, right? You go to the main page of RuneScape, there was a time on this game where pretty much we did not get like updates for maybe like every couple weeks. Yeah, I know that seems kind of crazy, right? How many updates are we getting? Well, we got one yesterday. We got one today, pretty much, a blog. We got one 2 days ago. We got one 5 days ago, 6 days ago. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on and on. Jagex is also on social media. They're also live streams. Like, it's the presence of the company to the player base is definitely very real, and it's also very much heard. And it's a lot of really good vibes all around, because like I was saying at the beginning of today's video, if you were on RuneScape many years ago, we were basically pretty much at the mercy of like what Jagex wanted to do. We didn't have a say on what the content was going to be. We didn't really have like any type of, I mean, it's like Jagex would give us content, and if we enjoyed it and played it, then they would make more content of the stuff that we enjoyed and played. If we didn't really do it, do anything of it, it just was considered, hey, a scratch. Okay, we're not gonna make any more of like this type of content, right? So, the fact that we actually have the ability to pretty much shape the game, that's not a bad thing. It's very much a good thing. So, good vibes all around. In my opinion, still the best time to be playing this game. I'm gonna pretty much conclude today's episode with this. 99 runecrafting is going slow as balls, but it's going. I mean, it's going. Stay tuned for more videos, especially tomorrow, and live streams as well. Love each and every single one of you, and I'll catch you all later. Bye.